Hey guys, Mr. Ottavio here, talking about computer ethics today. Ethics, questions about morality. What is right and wrong. So that's going to be your Bellrook answer is ethics questions about morality. We're going to watch that video clip, which is from uh, Frank Abagnale, which is Catch Me If You Can, if you've ever seen Leonardo DiCaprio and Tom Hanks. The what, how, why is down here at the bottom right. We're talking about computer ethics. How do we show it? Well, we're going to learn and why, because it's really important for us to be great community members. And that's something that we're talking about all the time in this class. And we'll really build on that as the year goes on. This is a really good practice for the way that we're going to normally kind of take notes when it comes to character, education, development stuff, okay? So we're going to look here. You got our core values, relationships, commitment, discipline. And our 10-8-10, third class people are bullies. Those are lost. Second class people are observers. They're found. And first class are heroes. They're elite, right? People who stop bullying. Again, there's our different levels of citizen there. Third, throwing the trash on the floor. Second, just seeing it and not cleaning it. First, helping clean up, for the greater good. How the internet works, right? Yeah, your phone bounces off, the cloud, literally up there in that picture, down to your computer, right? There's Wi-Fi and LTE or 4 and 5G. Again, it's my job is to take care of you, and yours is to take care of yourself or take care of each other. And in that, this is how cloud works, right? You think you're sending it phone to phone, right? But you're not. You're really sending it into these giant servers. There's a guy watching all this stuff, and it shoots out, or many guys, and it shoots up to the other phone. So when you text a picture or image, just text messaging, just messages, you use Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, blah, 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 blah. It doesn't really matter. All of them go into a server, so from your phone to a server there almost instantly. But it's logged and kept forever. So even if you delete TikTok, it does not matter. Geotagging is our next answer. Data consists of longitude and latitude, so they always know where you are. So if you go to sign your phone with your facial recognition, right, or even your thumbprint, they have your face, your thumb, who owns the account, and they have your longitude and latitude down to like the millisecond. They have altitude, bearing, distance, accuracy data, place names, even timestamps. So yes, people are tracking your every single move. Bullying and cyberbullying. If you don't have you have good computer ethics if you don't harass, bully, hurt. Stats: 1/3 of students say that they have been bullied. So make sure you put that on your answers. The accountability continuum: respect people are heroes, fear are bullies. 2/3 of students say they've witnessed cyberbullying is your next answer. And the second answer on this slide is being bullied can cause mental health issues. I'd love you to watch the Bullying Project video. Computer ethics. A bully does not have positive relationships or commitment to a cause greater than themselves, and bullies don't have positive impacts on their communities. All right? Childish irresponsibility versus willful misbehavior. Which one are you doing? Plagiarism. Something we need to look at. Computer ethics. You can even be arrested if you bully or steal somebody's information. I've seen it happen when I was an administrator. No one can make you feel inferior without your consent was a quote from Eleanor Roosevelt. And then we are going to put the answer or pair of questions in the chat box. So you won't be able to do that if you're looking at this and you're just doing it online at home. And we're going to talk about that quote and whether we believe it. So I hope you have a great day. Those are your answers. Make sure you answer them in the Google form. Have a nice day.